Hi guys, I'm Hailey Feldman and I am a live shopping host and Amazon fashion expert. I am a stylist and I specialize in attainable chic finds like this gorgeous dress that you see here. You could shop it right with this QR code. It's so easy. I've made it as simple as possible so you could get right to the point. It is in the color light blue here. It's just absolutely elegant. I love the light blue. I love the square neckline. And I love that the sleeveless piece here, it's a nice thick sleeve, right? It's beautiful. It's about, I would say, like an inch, right? So it's not a spaghetti strap. It's really, really, really classic and elegant. So let's talk about sizing. Size up, size up, size up, and size up. If you like the way that it fits me, which my style tip, I think this is fitted enough. It's tight enough. So my regular size is a size extra small, and I am wearing a size small. And it's really, really just moves well. I love the fabric. It's breathable, it's lightweight, and it's machine washable. It's a perfect wedding guest dress. It moves. You have a gorgeous side slit. But look, it's again, so when you size up, you're not going to have a super dramatic side slit, but it's just dramatic enough, right? So think about yourself posing for a fabulous photo. You do the whole, right? Shoulders back, do that, and you could kind of do something fun with like this, right? How you pose. So it just kind of gives you that ability to have a little bit of a different vision as far as where the eye goes. It's just absolutely exquisite. It just screams designer. I cannot believe this is Amazon fashion. And look at the back. I mean, it's so Ralph Lauren to me. It really is as far as dresses go. And it's made by the same designer as this dress that I showed before, Jessica, a top brand on Amazon. Both dresses in the blue color. That's just really, really, really versatile. Breathable fabrics, fantastic. Little haul for you. If you're looking for a classy outfit, one of the words I just absolutely detest is the word classy. Saying classy just screams not classy. I am My Chic Style. I write a style blog, My Chic Style, with Hailey Feldman. Hello. So if you're looking for something that is within a budget that isn't going to also fall apart, right? This isn't a fast fashion item. Those price points are much lower, but it's totally attainable as far as at least my budget goes, which is like $2. And you still look like $1,000,000. Just so pretty. This is day or night. You could dress it up or dress it down, flats, pumps, open toe, closed toe, go for it. And just keep everything minimal besides that. I'm Hailey Feldman. I hope this is helpful. Please comment and ask me any style tips. I'm here to help you. I just absolutely love this dress. And I think it's just a really, really great, smart buy.